Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve past paper mathematics IGCSE 2021. Okay, the radius of a circle is 42 centimeter. We need to work out of the circumference of the circles. Okay, we need to give the answer in terms of pi. Okay, the circumference, if you would like to use the radius, so circumference equal to 2r multiplied by pi. Since we would like to keep it as pi, so we can just work out with 2r. So 2 we multiply by 42. So here is the answer equal to 84 pi. Okay, 14. Change it. Okay, 680,000 centimeter cube into meter cube. Okay, so the conversion, so remember we got meter cube, the stair, and then decimeter cube, and last we got centimeter cube. Okay, if we are going up, we need to divide it. So here we divide by 1000 and another 1000. Okay, so we got here 1, 2, 3. We divided by 1000 with 1000. Okay, so we will got the answer as equal to 0.68 meter cube. Okay, the length L is meters of a piece of the rope is 5.67. Correct to the nearest centimeters. So the nearest centimeter is here. So the length of the accuracy equal to 0.01. So we make it a half. So we got as 0.05 from the lowest boundary. So 5.67, we will minus it by 0.005. This is as a minus. So we'll got as 5.665, while the maximum limit is gonna be 5.67, and then here 0.005 we will add. So we got the answer of 5.675. Okay, 16 without using a calculator workout. Okay, we got 1 and then 3/8 minus by 5/6. You must show all your workings and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, we got 1 here, 3/8. Let us change it. We multiply it and plus. So we here equal to 11/8. Okay, 11/8 minus by 5/6. So for addition and subtraction of fraction, we need to make it the denominator are equal. 8 and 6. Okay, we got 8 and 6. So here we can multiply it by 3. Here we multiply it by 4. So it's gonna be 33/24. We minus by 4 times 5 is 20. Here is 24. Okay, the denominator are equal. So here is equal to 24. We got 33. We minus by 20. It is equal to 13. Okay, here is the simplest form. We cannot simplify it. Okay, 17. Write 1 and then 2 times 2. How many times we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gonna be 1/2/5. Or we can write it as 2 power of negative 5. Okay, find the value of t. Okay, here is division. So 3. Here is 18 minus it by t equal to 3/6. Okay, we can just work on the power as the base are equal. So 18 minus t equal to 6. Okay, we plus by t both of sides. So we got 18 equal to 6 plus by t, and then minus it by 6. So we got t equal to 18 minus it by 6 equal to 12. So here is 12. Okay, we can simplify it. So number with number 8, we multiply it by 6 equal to 48. And w, and then if this is addition with the same base, we can if this is multiply with the same base, we can just add the power. So 10 plus by 5, so this is power of 15. Okay, 18, invest 8,300 at the rate of 5.6%. Okay, look at that. They state as the compound interest. Calculate the value of her investment at the end of 6 years. So after 6 years, so we need to find it. So first, what we know, so this is the principal amount. So starting money is 8,300. And then the annual interest rate, or here's the rate, is 5.6%, or we can write it as 0.056. Next information is 6 year. So the number of year, or t, this is equal to 6. Okay, the compounding frequency is only 1, so this is because annually. So we can go on. So here is A equal to P, and then 1 plus by R power of T. So B is $1,000. Then we multiply by 1 plus 0.056 power of 6. So we got here A 3, we multiplied by 1.056 power of 6. So here is the answer is 11,509.64. Okay, write down an irrational number and where 31, okay, bigger than 31 but more than 32. The easiest one to find the irrational number with the square root. So first let us find it 31 square. This is n. Here is 32 square. So first let us find it, the 31 square. So 31, we multiply it again by 31. So here we got as 961. So here is square root of 961. So 32 square. So we can find it. 32 we multiply it by 32, which is 124. So this is the square root of 124. So the irrational number is between this number. So I will pick as 1000. Here is the irrational number. Okay, next, by rounding each number in the calculation correct to one significant figures. So we need to estimate the value of, okay, first we got as 38.7. One significant figure is here. So this is equal to 40. Next we got 3.115. One significant figure is here, 1 is equal to 3. Yeah, 3.00, or we can just write it as 3. Next we got 20.3 here, so it's only 20. Next 4.1 square. Okay, 4, and then we make it square. This is equal to 16. Okay, so here is 40. We multiply it by 3. Then we divide it by 20 minus it by 16, or 4 square. So here is 120, and then divide by 4. The answer is equal to 30. Next, we need to solve the simultaneous equation so we can use the substitution. So this is x equal to 40, so we plus by 5y both of sides. Here is plus by 5y. Okay, substitute into the first equation. So you got 2x, this is 40 plus by 5y plus by y equal to 3. Okay, we expand it. Here is 80. Here is equal to 10y plus by y equal to 3. Okay, we got 80. Okay, we can check it first. So here's the x, 2. Okay, 80. 2 times 5 is 10y. Okay, here is equal to 11y equal to 3. So we minus by 80 both of sides. So 11y equal to 77 negative. So y equal to negative 7. To find it the x, we can just substitute into this equation. So 40 plus by 5 multiplied by negative 7. So here's 40 minus it by 35 equal to 5. So we got x equal to 5 and then y equal to negative 7. Okay, number 22. Okay, we got a straight road between A and B with the length of 130. So we got two people, Maxi and Piva. They travel with the different distance. So let me show it. This is A, Maxi, and B is Piva. Okay, they travel both at the speed, constant speed, 40 km per hour. But Maxi leaves 30 minutes earlier. So first, let us calculate the Maxi head start. Here is the Maxi. So distance equal to speed. We multiply it with the time. So the speed, they got the constant, which is 40 km per hour. Then we multiply by 0.5 hours. So this is as 20 km. So Maxi has already got as 20 km per hour. So let us find the remaining distance. So the total is 130 km. We minus by 20 km. So we got as 110 km. Okay, we need to find it, the combined relative speed. So as both of them 40, so we can just double it. So the relative speed equal to 80 km per hour. Then we can just solve the time with the remaining distance. So you got as 110. So the time when they meet is 110 km. We can divide it by 80 km per hour. So here is 1.375 hours. Okay, so the distance from A when they meet or pass each other, so it's 20 km because the Maxi started as 20 km. The speed, the constant speed is plus by 40 km per hour multiplied by 1.375 hour. So they will meet with a distance of 75 km. So here is 75 km. Okay, here, yeah, approximately they will meet here 75 km. They meet each other, A and B. Okay, there it is. Thank you.